Welcome to another episode of Tripping Oz with Kerry and Brad. This week we travel from Cowra to Tumut, where we do some camp cooking, and then we move on to Wagga Wagga. At Wagga Wagga we explore the surrounding town of Junee, the Rail Museum, and Monte Cristo, the haunted house. And at the very end of this episode we have some bloopers. Brad's already made the fire for the campfire cooking. So we're going to have casserole tonight, hopefully. Ready for Kerry's camp cooking?
No.
Why not? I'm a good cook. Some say. Anyway, let's get into it. So I'm going to take this hot lid off because someone's already heated it up. Heated the pan up, so we'll put some fat in there. Let it melt a bit. Like my fancy table. My chair. Right, so the fat's in. Now I've put some flour and sprinkly stuff on the meat, so I'm just going to chuck that in. In it goes. Mix it around a bit. Sizzling away there, so that's it. Going to cook it a bit until it gets a bit of flavour and colour on it, and then I'll add some water, and later on we'll put some potatoes and carrot and onion in there, and it should turn out delicious in about 4 hours, hopefully. So, time to add onions, potatoes and carrots, a bit more water, and we'll give it a good half hour or so and dinner will be ready. Ran out of coals, so we added more wood. Now it's a bit smoky, smoking out the neighbours over there. And he's got a fire going too, so it shouldn't matter. It's a lovely spot here by the river in Tumut. Tomorrow we're heading out. It's very cold, but we've researched it and it's cold everywhere. We were thinking of heading back up Dubbo way, but it's just as cold up there or even colder. So I think we're going to head to Wagga Wagga and bunker down there for a few days in the showgrounds. Here comes the dinner. Should be ready. Smells delicious. What?
Is it any good?
Well, I tasted it and it is spot on. Very good. Except for the crunchy bit of meat I just had. But the flavour tastes nice. I give myself a 5 out of 10. What did you think of that, dear?
It was edible.
It was edible.
Edible.
Edible. So, number out of 10?
Don't want to go too high. Build your hopes up. Got to have room for improvement.
Yeah. Above a 5?
Oh, no, we'll go average 5 at the start.
A 5. What was wrong with it?
First one of the trip. Got to have room to improve.
You're not leaving too much on your plate for only a 5.
Left more than you. Look at yours.
Yeah, mine was cleaned up. the old bridge at Tumut. And it's very cold here today. It's freezing. Apparently the water temperature stays at a 8 or less all year round. Way too cold to be swimming in. But according to the locals, the kids jump off the bridge and swim in the water, float downstream, and then get out and do it again. Get a look at that beautiful Tumut River flowing down. We're leaving here today, heading to Wagga Wagga. So here we are at Wagga Wagga Big 4. Come through today from Tumut. Lovely park. We got the worst spot on the block, according to the lady. Spot number 5. I probably disagree with her. She said we were on gravel. I was thinking black tar. It's not black tar, it's quite nice. So we'll go have a look around. See? Quite a nice spot next to the cabins. Brad's relaxing there under the awning. And we're right here next to the pool. You can play some chess if you want to. And the kids have got a park. So I reckon it's a great little spot. So we'll be here for 3 days and then head somewhere else. So here we are at Wagga Wagga Beach. Can you believe that? Beach at Wagga Wagga. On the river. Here we go. It's even got sand, real sand. It's a lovely spot. Playgrounds. Barbecue areas. It's really good. is the end of our Janda paddle boat cruise on the Monte River.
How do you know it's working?
Can you see through it?
Yeah.
Well, you know it's working. No, don't go that way. You have to go that way. Ready for Kerry's camp cooking?
No.
Why not? I'm a good cook.
There you go. There you got video reference. I do all the cooking. And it's called Your Cooking Show. There was a rock and roll band in the 80s called Junee Historical, done for fraud.
Are you finished ranting now?
Have you turned it on yet?
It's been on. Keep going.
Well, another day at the kitchen.
Swimming in the pool. Sprinkler alert. Got to get out. Bloody hell, I'm caught in the water. The man did say he was coming back because he was fixing one when we got here. And I didn't know he was going to turn it on right now. He didn't tell me that, but anyway.